Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Wade. We're talking ICP. In this video, Dfinity Foundation has launched a $5 million grant to support decentralized artificial intelligence on the blockchain. Now, look, we just got AI and we're already trying to decentralize it. This is a good thing, in my opinion. If you agree, let's dive into this information. So, Dfinity Foundation announced that they would be contributing $5 million to the development of decentralized artificial intelligence projects on ICP. So this is a grant for developers to come to Internet Computer and build decentralized AI applications. What they mean by decentralized AI, when you're dealing with other AI related projects, the majority of them rely on Amazon Web Services. Some of the biggest AI cryptos in the space, Fetch AI, Singularity, Ocean Protocol, they do use Amazon Web Services. And when you think about it, yeah, that is a pretty centralized data source and open to, quite a lot of attacks. Because nobody from the Fetch AI side or Ocean Protocol side is going to do it, but someone from the AWS side could just as easily do it. So ICP is looking to address that problem by decentralizing AI. So AI will play the role of an autonomous cloud that AI models can be built on, meaning that they're fully decentralized and run completely on chain. So what they're doing is taking Fetch AI's model and decentralizing it. How they're going to do this? Well, they go into talking about that a little bit down here. Let's get right to it. Advantages of running AI on ICP include run AI in an open environment on a public network, run AI in a way that allows models and data being used for training or inference to be kept separate, allowing for different parties who don't trust each other to combine their models and data in an open marketplace, run AI that is truly integrated with Web3, where it can be called on by on-chain blockchain code called smart contracts. And then, since they led us into that by the structure of that sentence, full AI-driven smart contracts. Now that both excites me and makes me very nervous at the exact same time, because you have to keep in mind, smart contracts are immutable. They are the immutable record of blockchain. It's the smart contract. And, on the other side of that coin, you do have countries like the European Union, whose recent Data Act actually includes legislation about a fail-safe mechanism when it comes to smart contracts, meaning, yes, we'll allow your smart contract to be immutable, we'll let it run, but if it ever has an impact on the way we do business, we pulling that plug, my guy. We're pulling that plug. So with the incorporation of artificial intelligence into that story, that could be very appealing and it could be very dangerous. So I don't know how I feel about that one. It was really that whole topic of discussion. Let me tell you how this landed on me, honestly. So AI-driven smart contracts, very interesting yet dangerous. AI, decentralized AI running on an entire blockchain, very interesting, because then if ICP is able to do that, then Internet Computer becomes the new Amazon Web Services. That's what you should really take away from this video. All right, forget about the immutable AI driven smart contracts. What you should take away from this, if you're an ICP holder, is that this $5 million grant opens the door for ICP to replace the role of Amazon Web Services. I can immediately see Fetch AI hopping right on over to ICP, Ocean Protocol, and all of the other Singularity Net. I could easily see that happening because they are looking to replace the centralized cloud infrastructure that's provided by AWS with a decentralized one that can run on ICP. And then a lot of people, because of course, as always, price action, people aren't paying attention to the mechanics of Internet Computer and how it really functions. Not only are they bringing smart contracts to Bitcoin, they were bringing NFTs to Bitcoin before the ordinals arrived. As a matter of fact, A lot of what ICP did for Bitcoin in 2022 made that ordinal technology possible. All right. Some of you Bitcoiners might want to challenge me on that, but according to what I looked at, that's the way it's laying. All right. A lot of people don't pay attention to how ICP runs as a chain. They have something called, and I'll simplify this the best way that I can, smart contract canisters, where let's just take a bag of oranges. All right. Each orange is a smart contract. ICP can be looked at as the orange grove. It's constantly growing these oranges in which to be distributed to different stores and so forth and so on. Now, what's done with that orange once it leaves ICP's orange grove, that's up to them. That's the decentralized nature of it. But what ICP does is just grows the best oranges and lets people do what they want to do with it, right? They're now about to add artificial intelligence to this orange grove, and now these oranges are going to be growing on their own automatically all the time, 24/7. It's insane. All right. It's insane. And I also read too, and I should probably have this pull up, but we're just chopping it up, guys. It's a Friday, so don't blame me. A recent upgrade for ICP has increased their block size. Some gamers might know what I'm talking about here. Memory. They have extra memory on their blockchain, and memory to a blockchain is very important. The more memory you have, the more blocks you can process, the faster your chain is, the more functional your chain is, so forth and so on. With artificial intelligence, you're using less of that to create more data and more information. The concept of decentralized artificial intelligence is absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to leave it at that. But let's finish this out here, guys. $5 million decentralized AI grant aims to support and encourage the development and integration of AI applications on the internet computer blockchain. AI is already playing a pivotal role in many ICP projects, with many more expected to benefit from decentralized AIs. These projects include These projects include the metaverse characters that are involved with IC1101, which is a metaverse on ICP, Dmail, which is a decentralized version of Gmail. They will now be using AI to create automated responses, and Itoka is tokenizing AI generated music. As an artist, as a former artist, I don't know how I feel about that, but EMC layer 2 protocol is integrated ICP and is focused on distributing computational power to AI developers. That's going to be a key player. So when it comes to AI and ICP, this is an interesting narrative forming. It's a very interesting narrative forming. Now, at time of recording, ICP is sitting at about less than $5. Less than $5. All-time high was $440. So yeah, we are definitely at the bottom. But if you believe in the tech and you do the diligence and you look and you trace where the money came from to found Dfinity in the first place, yeah, you'll have a different opinion. I'll just say that. But that's all I got for this one. I do have another video on ICP where we talk about their connections to Bitcoin, the smart contracts. I'll have that video up for you right here. With that, though, that's all I got for this one. If you found value in this content, there are a couple things that I need you to do for your boy. Hit that like, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. And as always, have a great day. Have a prosperous day. And most importantly, if that money is digital, so is the hustle. I'm Wade Teamer. I'll see y'all in the next one.